What's up, guys? What's up, guys? The giveaway is officially over, and we have a winner. I have reached 100 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. It means a lot. Now we're going to be on the road to 500 subscribers, or maybe I should start lower at 200 subscribers. But anyways, the winner of the giveaway is here. I choose you. Manny YTC. You are the winner. I will be in contact with you. Congratulations. You won. I'll be contacting you shortly. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone, for entering the giveaway. It means a lot. And, man, we out here, man. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it.